The recent drop has been relatively weak, with ARUN lower values near zero and overall just low volume. But Bollinger Band's %B is at about medium levels and ATR is particularly high. With such conditions, it wouldn't be too surprising to see price rise relatively easily until about $7, which is around the IPO price range, meaning even with more buyers entering the market to raise volume well above average levels, getting over the $7 to $8 range can be particularly difficult, with the short span covered by the proportions of the Fibonacci wedge and spirals. Then the $5 to $4 range only becomes a relevant lower boundary in the case price falls out of the wedge to attempt a continuation of the weak downswing. Essentially, bullish positions would want to see something like what happened to Airbnb stock last month when price went back over the 150 area near the IPO price. The incline here has maintained well within the 0 to 1 range of the Fibonacci channel, but there is doubt about maintaining this incline to clear 165 within the next 2 weeks to reach for 174, in part because the broader market is slowing down as seen in the past week. So a minor retracement down to 157 would be perfectly normal. A further drop to the low 150s is possible if the broader market begins to sell off more heavily, but it would still be difficult to break that area with strong selling volume due to the large number of bullish positions taken at that area last month, which as mentioned is also the IPO price range, meaning there's greater potential for major long-term support around there.